In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logos on invoices in QuickBooks Online. By the end, your invoices will carry your brand front and center, making them look more professional and easier for customers to recognize. First, head to the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. This is your control center for company preferences. Under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles. This page is where you manage how your sales forms look, including invoices, estimates, and receipts. If you've never been here before, think of it as the design area for your forms. Next, decide whether you want to update an existing style or create a new one. If you already have a template you like, find it in the list and click Edit in the Action column. That keeps your current layout and simply adds your logo to it. If you prefer to start fresh, click New Style and choose Invoice. Creating a separate style can be helpful when you want different looks for different brands, seasons, or special markets while keeping your default template unchanged. Now it's time to upload your logo. In the editor, go to the Design tab. Select Add your unique logo. Click the box with the plus sign, browse your computer, and choose your logo file, then click Open. QuickBooks will upload the logo and place it onto the template. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution PNG or JPG, ideally with a transparent background if your logo has one. A file that's not too large in size, but at least several hundred pixels wide, will look sharp on PDFs and printouts. After it uploads, check the live preview on the right side to make sure the image looks crisp and isn't distorted. If it appears fuzzy, try a higher resolution file. While you're still in the Design tab, you can optionally adjust colors and fonts so the overall style matches your brand, keeping everything consistent. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save, then Done to apply your changes. Your updated style is now ready to use. To make sure the logo actually shows on what you send, select this customized style whenever you create or send an invoice. Look for the style selector on the invoice form and choose the one you just updated. That ensures your logo appears on the customer's copy every time. That's it. You've added your logo to your invoices in QuickBooks Online, giving your documents a polished, on-brand finish that reinforces trust and recognition with every bill you send.